Today you will be making 2 of your favorite Asian food recipes. Sounds good to me. Let's do this thing. Sunny side up, you guys. A lot of you have been requesting to see a cooking video, so I'm going to start off with one of my favorites, a baked cream cheese wonton. Okay, picture in your brains that a square is laying flat and you went like that, and then flipped it and then went like that. So it's like a picnic basket, but it's tiny, and you could put the whole thing in your mouth at once. And that is a wonton. First, we will be putting 8 ounces of cream cheese into a bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One of my goals in life is to chop veggies like a chef. You know how they do it really fast and like I'm not quite there yet, but if you put it in fast motion, we're going to put in about 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. And then you're going to want to add 1 tablespoon of sweet onion. The onion's being mean to me. He's making me cry. Now that I dried off all my tears, let's mix this together. Now we're going to take these wonton wraps and fill them with the goodness. I'm going to put a teaspoon in each one. No! Okay, there we go. There we go, saved it. Oh, Bob. Now we're going to crack this egg and turn it into glue for our wontons. Wonton! This egg came from one of our chickens. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna scramble the egg and then put the egg in each corner and then fold it and it glues together. It's beautiful. So you're going to take the corners, put them together, and then press the sides. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. So it should look like this. And then you're going to put those together and then press the sides again. So it looks like a little square. Last step, my friends, we're going to put some oil on it so it makes it crispy. Oh yeah, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Did I forget to say that? Let's pop these babies in the oven for 7 minutes. We're gonna let these sit for 10 minutes to let them cool. In the meantime, let's make our salad. We are making the Asian sesame seed cucumber salad using cucumbers from my garden. We're going to use a spiralizer to turn this here cucumber into noodles. So I cut it flat, so now I'm just gonna poke it on right here. You know, and then smush it on like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Then we're going to turn this torture device, like so. Check out all the noodles that we got from just 2 cucumbers. Scrumptious. Oh my gosh. Here's the thing with cucumbers, they're really watery. Like, there's cucumber juice everywhere in my workstation right now. So what I'm going to use is a salad spinner to make sure that our salad doesn't get soggy. All I do is put the cucumbers inside, and then we put the lid on and start spinning. Guys, look at the water coming out. See, now the cucumbers stay inside and the water goes on the outside. Now it's the carrots' turn. Now that we have our noodles, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now for the dressing. We will mix all together 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I love this thing, check it out. You like squeeze the juice in there and then it tells you exactly how much it is. Now we're going to only put 3 tablespoons of this on the noodles. Now I'm just going to add on some pretty garnishes, like cilantro, some green onions, and some toasted sesame seeds. And there's your Asian sesame seed cucumber salad. Let's eat it with the wontons. Guys, look at this yummy dinner. Yes! I'm so happy right now. Those are happy tears. Unlike the torturous onion crying tears that happened earlier. This is the dinner that you kind of gotta eat like right over the bowl or else it will get everywhere. It tastes like goodness. Usually noodles are like warm, you know, like the spaghetti. But the noodles in this one are cold because they're veggies and they're healthy. It's wonton time. They smell good. They look good. Let's see if they taste good. It's nice and crispy.
Oh my gosh, you just really put that whole thing in your mouth.
Okay, that's good. Like super crunchy, and then I bit into it and like got to the middle part and it was like so creamy and good, and then I got the taste of the onions and it was just like a perfect balance. I had a blast showing these 2 recipes with you guys, and if you want to see me cooking in the kitchen more, go tell me in the comments below. The baked cream cheese wonton recipe is from Joyous Apron, and the Asian sesame cucumber salad is from Will Cook for Friends. I'll put a link to their recipes in the description below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget, keep your sunny side up.